channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to prepare one of Igbo popular food from the eastern part of Nigeria. This is called Ukwa porridge or breadfruit. Breadfruit is a unique food with a very delicious flavor and full of nutrients. Continue watching to find out how I prepare this delicious Ukwa porridge. To prepare this ukwa or porridge ukwa, you need to carefully select and remove any chaff or unwanted sand from the ukwa. Because I'm using dried ukwa, feel free to use fresh ukwa. The ukwa. I will carefully select and remove any dirty or sand from the ukwa. After washing the ukwa severally, you can still see the little sand that is settled on the bottom of the bowl. That's the more reason you need to wash the ukwa properly. After washing the ukwa, I'll be soaking it in cold water for about 6 hours. You can soak it for more. Then I will set aside. About 6 hours or more, I will sieve the ukwa, then add the ukwa into the pot. I'll be using hot water to quicken the cooking process. I will add enough water to cover the ukwa. Then I will cook. Ukwa or palm fruit is boiling. I will take out a tablespoon of ungo. This ungo will help to soften or tenderize the ukwa. You can also supplement this with edible potash. I will sieve it to remove any dirty or sand. By using edible potash, you can sieve it and undergo the same process. Pour the mixture into the boiling breadfruit or ukwa. I will stir to mix properly. Then cover the pot and allow it to continue cooking. While the ukwa or breadfruit is still cooking, you can always check it and add water or check if it has softened enough. Soften, I will sieve to take out some liquid from the ukwa. Still remaining, I will continue cooking the ukwa. I will add my washed dried fish. Stir to mix properly. Water into the ukwa to continue cooking. I'll be using Scotch bonnet for this recipe, so I will slice them into smaller pieces. Feel free to blend them. I'll also use sweet corn for this. If you have fresh corn, you can also use it. I will drain out the water from the sweet corn. After about 3 or 4 minutes that I've added the dry fish, I'll add some crayfish. Add palm oil. I will stir to mix properly. We'll add the sliced Scotch bonnet. You can use any type of pepper that you like. Stock cube and salt. I'll also add sweet corn. Feel free to use any other ingredient that you like. You can also use calabash, nutmeg, ehuru, or ogiribu. This is optional depending on what you want. I will stir everything together, cover to boil for about 2 minutes. Then the ukwa porridge is ready. The ukwa will thicken as it cools. That's why I like to enjoy it with the liquid I got from the ukwa that is set aside. Fruit or ukwa is ready and it tastes so delicious. I'll be enjoying it with the peppered pomo. You can also use fried fish or stock fish or anything you like. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.